Good morning. This is a recording for Friday, November 1st. We continue with the reflections from Mark Nepo's Book of Awakening. Today's essay is titled, We Are All Made Delicate. We are all made delicate, or we perish. Isn't this the cloth our griefs sew? The hard things break, the soft things bend. The stubborn ones batter themselves against all that is immovable. The flexible adapt to what is before them. Of course, we are all hard and soft, stubborn and flexible. And so we all break until we learn to bend, and are battered until we accept what is before us. This brings to mind the Sumerian tale of Gilgamesh, the stubborn, hard king, who sought to ask the Immortal One the secret of life. He was told that there would be stones on his path to guide him. But in his urgency and pride, Gilgamesh was annoyed to find his path blocked, and so smashed the very stones that would help him. In his blindness of heart, he broke everything he needed to discover his way. With the same confusion, we too break what we need, push away those we love, and isolate ourselves when we need to be held most. There have been many times in my life when I have been too proud to ask for help, or too afraid to ask to be held, and in the frenzy of my own isolation, like Gilgamesh, I have smashed the window I was trying to open, have split the bench I was trying to hammer, and have made matters worse by bruising the one I meant to be tender with. The live bow bends, the dead twig snaps. We are humbled to soften from our griefs, or else, in brittle time, become the next thing grieved. Wow, that's a profound one. So let's take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keeping your breath nice and soft, remind yourself that nothing needs to be fixed right now. Everything is already good enough, just the way it is. And see if this reminder helps you settle into a sense of spaciousness and freedom, into a space in which all the experiences of the present moment, physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, can simply flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. And now take a few moments to reflect on a situation you are now facing in which you are being hard, stubborn, resistant. What is the situation? Look at your stubbornness. What are you preserving by being hard? What might break if you continue being resistant? Now try to look beneath your stubbornness. What do you fear will happen if you bend to the situation? And what might be gained by softening? Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I touch deep, natural peace. And now, as you gently let go of your practice, as always, scan your body and notice what's going on for you, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. Where might you be hard, stubborn, resistant? And what are you preserving by being hard? What do you fear will happen if you soften? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.